Yo, it's Storm here, guys. Here with another video on my nano transformers, my nano Lego transformers. Last video I did on these, I showed you how to build, and I showed you this police car, this fire truck, this Arctic Explorer, and this plane. And for just for reference, there's a minifigure. Yep, these guys are pretty much that's the word, toys for these guys. Don't know why I couldn't find that word. Yeah, this video I have more transformers. They're got a tank, a forklift, and a bulldozer. You can't see that one. There we go. And a bulldozer. I'm going to show you how to build all three. These two are going to be part of a combiner. Bulldozer, but this guy has a name. His name is Rampage. He's a real transformer that I recreated in Lego. He's going to be a leg in a combiner, but it's not going to be Devastator because that's what he's usually from. But it's not going to be because I am not going to make the rest of them. I should go ahead and show you how to transform these guys into their leg modes. Let's go ahead and flip that up. And same with this piece here. If they're on their leg modes, transform into bot mode. Whoops, uncut, unprofessional. There we go. They are both in their bot modes. Pretty neat. Transform back. Really simple. That's really what I like to do with these things, make them the simplest and smallest they can possibly be. I just really like the idea of having an entire army or two of little transformers in the palm of your hand, so you can play in the back of mom and dad's car or at the park, or even if some of your friends have them, you guys can just play together, which is, I just love that. Transform this guy from his vehicle mode into his bot mode. I'm going to stand him up. Sorry, wait. Okay, there we go. Take his arms from the side. Take his head. All the way around like so. And there is, I don't know. I haven't given him a name yet. You guys can call him whatever. But don't forget to credit me for making it. I would really appreciate it. I'll get into building. Let's start off with bulldozer, whatever I named him. Whatever his name was, I forgot. I'm not going to be able to do a cut because of how YouTube's recording thing works. Either that or I haven't figured it out yet. But since they're so small, it's not going to take me a long time to get them apart. Break them down so I can build them back up. Okay, I can't get this piece apart. This right here, it's just two 1x2 flat pieces with two studs right on top of each other. Now I'm gonna have to put these down, and you guys can see them. And overhead view. Okay, this right here is a cheese slope. There's the 1x2 dots. And let's get into building them. So you're gonna take those two 1x2 pieces. You're gonna take this 1x2 with a single stud. Wait, you can take that out of frame. Put it right so. Then this 1x1 cheese slope. put it right here on the back. Then this 1x1 piece with a bar. I'm really happy they made these. It's really happy. I've never seen these before, but I found them in one of my Lego sets, which was amazing. These 1x1 pieces with a clip. And then this 1x1 square stud clear yellow. So no, that was a lot of words. And there you have Rampage. Next, we're gonna do the forklift. I'll go ahead and get them apart. As I said, I won't be able to do a cut, but oh, I'm gonna be doing a live stream later tonight. As of this video coming out, I'm gonna be doing a live stream tonight around, we'll say 6 o'clock Los Angeles time. I don't know how else to call it, what else to call it, but 6 o'clock Los Angeles time. Okay, overhead view. I'll be doing a live stream. Okay, maybe I could do a whole overlook of every transformer I have, which isn't a lot, or we could pop on my Minecraft server, go check it out. I have a video out for that. And let's get building. So, I'm going to take this 1x1 and 1x2 flat with 2 studs, put this right here. And we're going to take this 1x1 G-slope. What do I... There or the right? Oh, hold on. No, okay, that was right here. Sorry, right here. And this 1x1 piece with the clip on the top, I'm going to put it right here with the clip facing the either side, like so. Then you're going to take this 1x2 piece with a single stud, put it right here, so it's poking out just a little bit. Then you're going to take this 1x1 piece with a bar, put it facing up like so. And this 1x1 piece with a clip, and then this 1x1 circle clear stud. It can be in any color, but that's just the color I used. And if I haven't said it already, any of these can be in any color you want them to be. Next, for the tank, I'll go one part. As I said, these can be in any color at all. And if you're not already, go ahead, drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Help me out a bunch. I would absolutely love it. The more of you who leaves a like on this video, the more chances of me making more of these. Okay. Not all the pieces. Okay. Okay. Sorry if I'm a little backlit when I do that. There's a window behind me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this 1x1, 1x2 piece with a single stud. We're gonna put it right here, and this 1x1 piece with a clip, put it right here on the back. And then I'm going to take this 1x1 square with a single stud, put it right there. And then we're going to take a 1x2 flat. I'm going to take this 1x1 piece with a bar. And I'm going to take this 1x1 stud piece, 1x1 gold, put it right here on the back. Now we're going to take this cylinder cone piece, put it right here up on the front. And ta-da! That is all of my nanos for this episode. And don't forget, I will be doing a live stream later tonight. at 6 o'clock Los Angeles time. And goodbye.